Are you all excited and ready? Welcome to Mindanao People's Excellence Awards 2022.
This is your night to shine and be recognized. Congratulations in advance to all awardees. Congratulations and good evening to all of you. You know guys, people of Mindanao that excel from the different talents, jobs from the various organizations in government and private sectors. And this night is held for you and for you alone. Walang iba. Ginawa ang event na to para sa inyo. Hindi ito para sa amin. Para tulungan yung mga Mindanaoans, the excellent people of Mindanao, to shine and be recognized.
This event is solely organized to give due recognition and honor to Mindanaoans and company brands who have shown incomparable excellence in the fields of academics, arts and culture, marketing, politics, traditional, tribal leadership, youth development, professional group, business operations, and many others.
Thank you so much, Mindanao People's Excellence Award, for this awards and recognitions na isa ko na natagaan og award and recognition.
Thank you sa Mindanao People's Excellence Award dahil nabigyan ng opportunity yung mga bagong professional natin, saka lalo na sa amin bagong negosyante.
I'm so happy that I am being recognized by the Mindanao Excellence People's Award. And as a Mindanaoan, I am very proud also to be recognized because in our field, in the real estate, I'm so happy also because real estate here in Davao City is booming. So I'm so glad and thank you for your recognition also.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa bumubuo ng Mindanao People's Excellence Award. Nabibigyan kami ng process na talagang mga Mindanaoan nito at malalayong lugar na narito kami rito sa Dusit Hotel upang bigyang karangalan sa araw na ito. Kaya masaya kami at pinapasalamatan namin yung bumubuo ng Mindanao People's Excellence Award.
Well, being recognized as one of the awardees is just a very flattering achievement for me and for the institution I represent. You know, being a Mindanaoan, it's really a pride and it's an achievement of not only myself, but I represent the island of Mindanao.
Is an amazing feeling to be recognized, no? I feel happy that someone recognized us. Hindi nasasayang yung mga efforts namin to do good, to do better, to be significant in the Philippines as a Mindanaoan.
Thank you Mindanao People's Excellence Award for this opportunity na mag-showcase kami ng collections from the Mindanao. Masyado siyang how do you call this? Beyond the expectation na maganda, good venue, fabulous venue, mga taong very helpful, mga taong very, maraming naitulong sa kapwa.
Thank you also to the wonderful members of the Mindanao People's Excellence Awards, whom I finally gotten to meet and thank tonight.
I just want to share this blessing to all of you, that we all know that the success that we have received today is just a beginning for tomorrow's another achievements. Thank you.
First, sa akong team sa Lu Catering Services, thank you. And dili na mo ni ma-achieve na award kung dili jud pod sa guidance sa Ginoo. Thank you, Lord.
I think we should support and patronize this kind of event because it could help everyone who have talents to show who they truly are, help this country build into becoming a more progressive and successful.
This is a justification po yung mga nagawa po natin na magaganda para po sa mga constituent natin, particularly sa Mindanao. Nakita po nila yung mga efforts natin. So we are very much thankful na nagkaroon tayo ng mga ganitong awarding para kahit pa paano ma-recognize din yung mga Mindanaoans.
To all awardees, congratulations, and of course, to the organizers.